Good morning, my YouTube family. This is Miss Deborah. I'm just going to do a quick vlog today, or a quick blog. I want to talk to you about health and beauty. The health being, the health this morning being proper dental care. Let me just say this to you. A lot of people don't know how to brush their teeth. It's like they just take their toothbrush and just put it in their mouth and get some water, and then that's the end of it. And then come out the bathroom and it smell like you never brush your teeth. Don't do that. Don't do that. When you brushing your teeth, the proper formation is to go up and down like so. You know, in a circular motion as well, because you want to make sure you get all in the back, and then you want to open up your mouth horizontal and catch the top of your teeth, and then you open your mouth and you make sure you catch behind your teeth, and then vertically going down, you want to make sure that you catch everything that needs to be caught, and all in the inside as well, and all at the bottom, because you know hygiene is very important in terms of how you come at a person and when you're speaking to them, because halitosis is so stinky. There's a lot of people that I know have halitosis, and then they want to come in your face, and then you backing up, and they want to come in your face, and you trying to back up until they say, listen, I got something for you. Take this mint. But don't be caught in that predicament. Okay, let me show you what Miss D used every day. I've been using this for 10 years. I use Dr. Tichenor peppermint mouthwash. It's made here in Louisiana, in New Orleans, as a matter of fact. It's one of the best products that I've ever used. And not only that, let me tell you, it's used for cuts, bruises, and all type of medicinal problems, sore throats, and all of that. So if you're in a supermarket and you know you have stink bread, you need to stop by and get some of this. Miss D telling you. You need to pick this up. You need to pick this up, because it's very offensive to get in somebody's face and you know your breath stink. It really is. You need to check your breath before you come and talk to somebody. Because if somebody is looking at you with the side eye or the front eye or the evil eye, they're telling you that you need to make sure that you need to tighten up that breath. It's very offensive. I'm very offended when people come at me like that. I really am. I'm not a person to hurt somebody's feelings, but I would give you a mint to be cordial. I would give you a mint. So you need to get some of this Dr. Tichenor. You're on a need about a half a cap full, and then you could just, I use the top to drink out of every morning. I've been doing this for so long. I put a half a cap full in here, then I fill it rest up with water, and then I gargle in this formation for for a good while, and I make sure that I take the Dr. Tichenor and just kind of splash it throughout my mouth, just to make sure that I don't offend nobody. Cause I know when I leave out this bathroom, my breath is fresh. My breath is very fresh. But don't give it to children, cause it's so strong. You don't really want to do that. You know. But this is what Miss D using. I mean, you have a right to use what you want. But if you really have very severe halitosis, you got green gums, and you got the green, I don't know what you call that, around your teeth. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is, but that's not good. Because this Dr. Tichenor could kill a fucking horse. I'm telling you. I'm sorry to use that language, but this is a product that I believe in. It's so good. It's less than $5 too. Less than $5. So when you in Walmart, or you in one of Target, or one of your stores that you go to, you need to get some of this. You really do. Make sure you check your breath before you talk to somebody and getting close to somebody, getting in their face. Because I have to come home, wash my face, and then you still have that stench of stank in your nose. That's not cool. That's not cool, because When I meet people and their breath smell like that, I can't eat for a while. I'm sorry. I can't eat for a while. So I'm just telling you what I use. Kind of tighten up your hygiene. You'll get more dates, guys and girls, and people want to talk about you because you know how your breath smell. So this is Miss D with a health and hygiene moment. I love you. Have a blessed day.